Okay, this is David, All Colors Carpet Cleaning, and what I want to do is show you when you have pet treatment or pet stains, you have to spray them down really well, soak them in, and then you have to scrub them. I use a two process. I go around and hit the spots, and then I use a stronger process to hit everything and then go over them even more. But you have to scrub it and agitate it to make a difference. Males like to go along the edges. And here you'll see this room is real bad. And I wish I would have showed you this before I scrubbed it. But this is what it looks like now, which is 100 times better. But you got to get those edges. Then you have out here in the field, general, there's stains. But this is what the scrubbing does. It breaks it all loose. And without the agitation, especially for pet treatment, for carpet pet treatment, you don't get the same results. Okay, this is Dave again with All Colors Carpet Cleaning, Indianapolis Treasure Repairs. This is your family room. We just got done scrubbing it and treating it. Now we're getting ready to steam clean it. Like I said, when it comes to pet treatment on carpet, you have to scrub it. If you don't scrub it, you're wasting the customer's money. You got to work that chemical into the fiber, and you need to break up the urine stains. This is Dave again with All Colors. We just got done steam cleaning and extracting out all the urine and the stains. This is what she looks like now. It's good and it's pretty. See, all the way through to here. Okay, this is the living room, all finished up, clean. We move the furniture out, we get behind there. All right. Okay, this is David, All Colors Carpet Cleaning. I have just got done finishing that job, and I forgot to do this part here where I let you know that everything's been done. And the first step was always to pre-spray the carpet. The second part is to agitate it, and without the agitation, you don't get the same results. And then, of course, the steam cleaner to truck them out the system, which I do. But the overall thing is there's 3 stages, not just one. And even the solution that we steam clean the carpet with has to be different. More of an acidic base, not a water base. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at 317-889-0692 or text us at 317-270-0207. Have a great day.